How to check Instagram without logging in. So without logging in, if you want to check someone's Instagram account, then first of all you need to open a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'll be here with Chrome browser. And after opening your browser, now you will have the search bar, right? Simply tap on that search bar and then you can search for instagram.com and slash, and then you have to enter the username of that person's account whom you would like to search. And after entering the username, here it will take you to their account, right? It will take you to their profile. So from here you can simply scroll down and you can watch all of these photos or reels which they have posted. So that's it. That's how you see someone's Instagram without logging in. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.